So psychology also says that the Big Boss is making viewers more stressed.
In some cases, I agree with you, man.
Yes.
Really, this is.
So you आप मान लीजिए ना बिग बॉस देखना गलत
I'm
बात है.
not against the Big Boss. Like, of course, ladies first. In India, we say. So I would like to invite the first person. Please clap. Put your hands together for Miss Akshahur. Please come on the stage. Let's see how she is going. Yes, don't think I'm your teacher today, right? Think that you are going to debate with me. You have to win this debate, right? And a person who will speak good English, right? From my side, I'll give you party, right? Party in the sense samosa party, right? If you not only one person, 2, 3, 4, everyone can get if you speak nicely, right? So first of all, how are you?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
And I'm fine.
Good afternoon. Yes. What is your intention? Why you have come here?
I come here for telling everyone that watching Big Boss is such a nonsense thing. Why we watch it?
So you are against of Big Boss?
Yes.
You think that Big Boss is useless?
Yeah.
Oh my God, she is saying that Big Boss is useless. Not at all. I think so. Big Boss is very fantastic.
That is just a show, and they made it so nonsense show. Why we show it?
Why we are watching?
Why we are watching it?
Because when we have tension, depression, anxiety, we watch it.
It make our anxiety more. It don't relax our anxiety. It make it more.
It gives us more anxiety.
Yeah, it gives us when people are fighting each other and using abusive language. We see and we think what will gonna happen next. Then the ad come. We see why the ad come. We become more anxious. Why we become more anxious?
So this is their strategy, ma'am. You know, those people who are watching Big Boss, right? They know. First of all, you are watching Big Boss. So you know already there are many advertisement, many ads over there, right? And secondly, Big Boss is not compelling you to watch. This is a show. There are many shows in India, right? We say Indian Idol and Saregamapa. So likewise, also Big Boss.
Sir, but they don't use abusive language. They don't show vulgar content. But Big Boss showing it. But
Showing
Big Boss
it, right?
Yeah.
See, this is for people. See, that is the teamwork. In under one roof, and in one roof you are studying. You are also studying there. You are also learning. Like when somebody is fighting each other. First of all, let me tell you this: Big Boss is not related to other content. This is related to people. This is the mirror of the society.
This is not. I know you asked this question, but this is not the mirror of society. It is also a corporate show. You know where it is start, and there is a person. I don't know the name.
Okay.
He launched a book. The book name was 1947. 1947.
Okay.
And then he published it. He published it. Then he poster it in front of people.
Okay.
The poster was Big Boss is watching. No, Big Brother is watching me. Big Brother is watching you. So people see and they become anxious. And after 20 years in America, they made a show named Big Brother. What's the purpose of making show? That we show a lot of people doing their housework, their daily routines.
Okay.
But after that, this show become very popular in America.
So what's wrong with this? It is
listen. After becoming popular, many countries copied. Many countries making their own Big Brother. And then when it comes to Indian television, how they are पीछे रह जाएंगे.
How can they be back?
How can they be back? They also made their own version, Big Boss. So now I'm asking you a question.
Okay, yes.
Television was made for entertainment, not for spreading nudity or
Oh.
negativity.
Negativity, right?
Negativity. But Big Boss
So-
has changed everything.
Hmm.
Tell me, what will your children or what will your youngsters learn if they only watch every night? They watch fight, abusive language, cursive language. They see or what they learn, disrespect or respect. What they learn. Now answer this.
Okay, I'm answering this question, right? You made complete kharra from starting to end. How people make it, right? See, first of all, Big Boss is not telling to you to watch it, right? And secondly, my answer is that what people will learn, right? Those people who are watching already, they have idea what is there, right?
But-
and secondly, this Big Boss is related to people's life. You know, in our daily
It is
life,
not
it is-
related to people's life.
it is relatable.
But
That
we
is
are
why
seeing.
then people are watching it.
No, many of the kids also watch, but it is only for 13 or 16 plus people. But many of the children watch, many of the teenagers watch, and then
they are just
no,
giving
listen.
the mobile for the children.
So if you are saying that watching Big Boss is
I'm asking you
Yes.
one question, right? In your home, right, there are two things. One item is for elders and one item for children. If child is eating that item, so who is responsible? You are. Why are you just giving the permission to your child to eat?
Sir, I don't give my child to permission to eat it. But many of the children watching, I can't. I'm not. मतलब मैं हमेशा घर पे थोड़ी ना रहूँगी. I go to work. I go to study, and then when my child is alone, he watch it. Then it is just a waste of time. Every episode is 1 hour longer. Plus it is 1 hour plus.
Okay.
And many of the people who studies, who works, and they watch it, just wasting their time. If because of watching it, it also eating youngsters' mind.
Youngsters' mind.
Yeah.
See, basically in Big Boss, what is happening over there, right? A person, you will also learn in Big Boss that how you can control your mind in depression. Because they are also teaching it.
They don't teach anything.
No, right. You know, in Big Boss, each other they are fighting. And sometimes they also become hyper, they also become aggressive in Big Boss, right? But they control themselves. And as well as there are many scientific experiments.
Sir, Big Boss is scripted. They only yes, it is.
Episode is scripted.
No, listen. Firstly, they tell the contestants, contest that you have to fight. You have to fake fight for the TRP. This is the cheapest way to earn money. Why they watch it? Why they making this type of content? If you want to watch something for your entertainment, you can watch something that is motivational that entertainment should be in limit, but Big Boss are not this.
Boss is watching you.
Yeah, this is not the right thing to teach us the next generation.
Of course. I really appreciate it. I agree with this point here. But ma'am, those people who are watching Big Boss, right? They know according to, see, for example, child they watch cartoon, they will not watch movie. They don't understand. According to their thinking or their power, their capability, they watch it. So same way, if a child, someone is very young, elder, so according to his entertainment, he watch. For example, if I like Big Boss, and I also learn many things from Big Boss. Teamwork, you will also learn how to work in a team. If you have depression, anxiety, any type of, you can maintain your teamwork. You will also learn it.
Sir, actually I want to say that it give negative impact, and also you're saying that this teaches us teamwork. This is not the real teamwork they show. This is just they made for TRP. They just want viewers.
Ma'am, every business run for TRP. Every business, right? If somebody is teaching in school, he is also for his work and for his money also. He is not only teaching for children. He also do like that. And secondly, like Pradhan Mantri of this country, he is not for people. He is also working for himself. So every if suppose I'm going to perform in front of camera, and if I do my action without practice, I will do mistake. Nobody will watch my video. So they also do it. So what's wrong with this?
So you're saying that you're gonna tell your children that was the cursive language. No, you was cursive language and disrespect elders. This is not our religion. What our religion teaches, that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if a person gives you gali, so you don't have to give back gali. You have to smile at her or him, and then you go. You don't have to do anything because Allah is watching us. Allah do everything.
Okay, first of all, you are against your Big Boss. Okay.
Yeah.
There are many movies right now. Theater. Many people are saying theater, cinema hall should be banned because there are many movies are not good. Many movies are making against religion.
Sir, I'm not.
These things.
Yes, I'm not talking about that. My topic is Big Boss. I'm only talking. It is relatable. So I'm saying that don't watch this type of movies, so they don't make. If you don't watch it, so they also don't make. If you're watching it and they're earning money, that's why they're making this type of movies. They're disrespecting your religion. They're eating your mind while you watch it.
So why you watch it, right?
Yeah.
So here I am against of this content, right? If somebody is abusing, I also don't agree with this point. Here I am agreeing with you that if they are using offensive language, I know that they are using and they also sometimes become hyper. But because of these things, there are many lessons here. Many scientific experiments have come from Big Boss also. When Mr. Beast.
Yes.
Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
Mr. Beast has also done many experiments on one person, just capturing in one room. The room is completely white, and how people react after 20 days, after 50 days, when he is living in same room. So they are just experimenting on mental stress. Today we are studying psychology, philosophy because of these experiments. Because of these experiments, we have idea what is psychology, what is philosophy. These things we are learning from them.
So psychology also says that the Big Boss is making viewers more stressed.
In some cases, I agree with you, ma'am.
Yes.
Really, this is.
So you आप मान लीजिए ना बिग बॉस देखना गलत
I'm
बात है.
not against the Big Boss. Like the content is something that is vulgar. I don't agree. For example, somebody is eating something that is
Earn it.
No,
Sir,
actually,
I'm
Big
also-
Boss is paid. We have to pay money for that. We cannot watch free everything. So if we watch on Netflix, or there are many Sony TV I think so. I don't have
Jio.
much idea. Or
Jio Cinema.
Okay, so that is paid version. If your child is watching, there are many content or many much content
With our family.
which is not
You can watch it with your family.
Okay, very nice, ma'am. Actually, I did not watch any single episode of Big Boss. That's why I don't have much idea.
Sir, you
Going on over.
know na Big Boss watching. I am saying that Big Boss is not
I
good.
really appreciate that. Very nice, very nice. जबरदस्त मजा आ गया very nice. You have to down here, right? Really, I don't know about the boss, right? Who is working? Last, I know only one person. Robert Faruqi. He
Yes.
was,